Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll talk about how to use the Midjourney free trial in 2026. But before we start, it's important to know that Midjourney currently does not offer a general free trial on its main website or Discord platform. And most users now need a paid subscription to generate images. First, visit the Midjourney website and sign into your account. This allows you to check the latest account options and available plans directly from the platform. Next, review the available subscription plans. Midjourney currently operates mainly through paid plans, so image generation usually requires an active subscription. If you're specifically looking for free access, keep an eye on official Midjourney announcements. Sometimes platforms introduce limited promotions, tests, or special access programs, although there is no standard public free trial available right now. As you continue using the platform, experiment with different prompt styles, artistic directions, and image settings to improve your results. Finally, remember to check Midjourney's official documentation and pricing pages for the latest updates, since access methods and subscription options can change over time. And that's it. That's the current situation with Midjourney free trial access in 2026 and how you can get started with the platform today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.